This is a great example of a paper that requires critical thinking skills. First, it's looking at how different bodies react differently to the virus, using a massive data pool between March 2020 and October 2021 in New York, with a pretty balanced population spread. So it's very important to understand while this paper was published in 2023, the data is old and outdated, or at least limited to the quote-unquote hybrid type, the original strain of the pandemic, not necessarily to our current waves of Omicron. And because long COVID isn't officially defined yet, they used a literature search to sort of set their own definition, which is quite reasonable but can be very biased, because in essence, you're picking symptoms as opposed to letting the data speak for itself. But this really underpins that COVID is a whole body disease, from dementia and cognitive problems to blood issues to heart problems and digestive issues. It impacts everything in a very statistically significant way, impacting the nervous system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system, and even causing fatigue and joint pain. Now, for an odds ratio, we look at black versus white, where a 1-to-1 would be equivalency. So, for instance, white people are more prone to having skin issues over here, as opposed to Black and Hispanic people. But then Black and Hispanic individuals are more likely to have these serious symptoms with circulatory, endocrine, and digestive issues, which is better spelled out here, where Black individuals are more likely to develop diabetes and pulmonary embolisms as a result of long COVID, while Hispanics are more likely to have headaches and trouble breathing. Again, this is all in context to long COVID with early pandemic strains.